we have the tangent of theta is equal to sine of theta over cosine theta. So our equation can be written as tangent 3 theta d theta equal to sine 3 theta d theta over cosine 3 theta. So we let our denominator equal to v, so let v is equal to cosine 3 theta. So the derivative dv is equal to negative sine of 3 theta multiplied by the derivative of 3 theta, so that's 3 d theta. And we have dv is equal to negative 3 sine 3 theta d theta. Ngayon, makikita natin dito na yung numerator natin ay meron na siyang sine 3 theta d theta. So, kulang na lang tayo ng negative 3. So what we are going to do is to multiply negative 3 in the numerator and to multiply negative 1/3 dito sa labas. So since derivative na ng denominator yung numerator natin, so we would have negative 1/3 ln of the denominator plus the constant of integration.